Oh, Sunday, fun day, fun day. Yes, it is. So, what I have going on, a project that I've been putting off. We have some soil, molecular light, or whatever this shit is called. We have some seed right there. I got more soil right there. And I gotta show you all my other stuff. But let me get the wheelbarrow, air up this flat ass tire, and then wheel everything to the back. Ooh, I smell charcoal and starter fluid. Anyways, this is what we're working with. We got 5 bags of soil, 4 bags of sand, the nitrogen. We got a 8-pound bag of seed with the seeder, wheelbarrow, shovel, a rake-ish thingy. And this is what I'm dealing with, guys. Tired of dealing with the dust, the dirt. Cannot seem to get this grass to come back, no matter how much we water it. Texas is always in water restriction, so I'm gonna see what I can do. I got all that overhang, as y'all can see. I did chop some of the tree down, or some of the branches, but my chainsaw died. So I'm charging it up. Damn DeWalt chainsaw. I'm gonna leave that right there bare, where the trash cans go, because it's gonna die anyways, and that probably won't let it come back. So I'm just gonna leave that bare. Maybe later on I'll break it. But this is what we're working with, guys. This is the before. Okay, I probably won't film too much of the process because I do not have my tripod, unfortunately. But I'm going to use that rake right there. Stir up some of the dirt, and then I'm gonna seed it, soil it, try to level it, get those branches chopped down, and then go from there. Now, guys, I am not a landscaper. I am a mechanic, and that is what we are doing. Landscape mechanic shit. And if y'all know me, y'all know I like the green shit. So, got some gloves. I'm gonna get to it. Do it to it with the what we're gonna do first, we're gonna use the seed, mix the seed with the molecular light, milogranite. We're gonna mix some of that with the seed, spread it out. Well, actually, I gotta get that rake up, gotta get that tree chopped, gotta get some of that tree chopped up. I forgot I gotta use the rake and get some of that whatchamacallit, the leaves. All the leaves end up over there. Got to get those leaves out of there too. Get those toys moved. And hopefully we will have this yard looking somewhat decent this year. Maybe, hopefully. You know, ain't no yard work without a monster. I mean, I need to get all these lights off of here too. But let's continue. Shouldn't even be doing it one-handed. Well, we got that. Need to chop this one down into smaller segmentos. Ow, it hit me in the head. Got it there. Got it. All right, so that is that. Well, the tree looks a little better. Call this a ghetto prune. Whew, all right, there we go. Leaves for the most part picked up out of that corner. And some over there. I don't even know if I'm gonna rake this. That's some backbreaking shit. I think I'm gonna just spread the seed and do what it do, baby. Let's do this. All right, so the grass I'm using is Texas Bermuda. I mean Texas. So, recommended speed, thin areas, bare, new lawns. Scott's Mini, 4 inches. Whatever. All right, we're gonna mix this up. I don't know the ratio, but I'm just gonna put it together. All right, so I got grass seed mixed with the malignolite. Y'all see that? Mix it all up. Now I have about 1,200 square feet back here. Maybe 1,300. Wonder if I should add more malignolite. Okay, added some more malignolite and some more grass seed. I'll just get it all mixed up. Go wide angle. This looks cool. It almost looks like my toolbox. Now this malignolite, all it is a nitrogen. Or not all it is, but that's basically what it is. Nitrogen for the grass. Now, need to transfer over. We'll just do this. There we go. Now the malignolite said 11.5 setting on the spreader. See how far that gets us. I'm gonna go heavy where I don't have no grass, and then I'm gonna do about 1 pass where there is some grass. All right. Now I believe all I got to do to spread it is open this thing right there. So let's go. I'm already tired. There we go. It's spreading. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh shit. Ow. Thorns. Ow. Whew. I might be able to see all the seeds spread. Back. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Almost empty. Alright. Damn. That went quick. That 11.5 setting. Good thing I got plenty. I got enough to do about 2 yardfuls of my yard. All right, let's go. Throw some down right here. And then whatever we miss, of course, as time goes on, I'll plant some more. Round 3. I'll probably kick it down to about 5 or 6. Now, what I have heard about this grass, or this grass seed, it is kind of aggressive. So it ends up taking over other grasses, and it'll end up taking over yards. So now I'm just spreading it throughout the yard. I already got the main parts of the yard done and covered. I'm just gonna spread it just to get some seed coverage. Now, a lot of who I've been watching, oh shit, is this YouTuber called Yard Bruh. Kind of a weird, quirky guy, but has some good information on there. I think we're gonna have enough. What do y'all think? Tired. I didn't even want to do this today. But I've been putting it off. I'd gotten sick. And it's been hot. Then it would rain. See, that's my only good grass part right there. Get all this. Get back here. Get it all seeded. There we go. That's it. We're done. We're done with that part. Oh, I'm tired. Okay, so now I have a mixture of sand and soil. And I'm gonna just start spreading it over there. That's gonna help level it and keep the grass seed from birds and stuff thinking it's food and shit. 4.5 bags down, half bag of sand and soil to go. I am freaking tired, y'all. 60-pound bag, 50-pound bag, dumping, wheeling, dropping. I don't know how these landscapers do it. That's some tough work, man. And y'all know what's crazy? Oh my god, y'all could really see the grass seed now. I started out with 3 bags, and then I was like, you know what, when I went to Home Depot today, let me get 2 more. It's a good thing, because y'all will see how much coverage this only did. Of course, I got to run the leveler through it and level it, which we got the level rake right here. This, I feel like, is going to be the easiest part. Whew. Let me kind of heavy. Yeah, what the hell? Why is it not? It's like in the middle. Well, that level rake sucks because it folds in the middle, so it does this. It'll go whoop like a V and start scraping everywhere. But I'm done. Fuck this. I probably need like another 10 bags just to get up to the halfway mark on the yard. Now I gotta put everything up. Sweaty, bro. I wait till it's 90 degrees outside. You're tripping. I'm tripping. All right, y'all. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn post notification bells on. Remember, I ain't a landscaper. I'm a mechanic, so I'm just doing what I do, baby. Oh yeah. Y'all probably thought I wasn't gonna water, huh? Yeah. I'll wet your board. But yeah, I'm watering. Y'all see, Kettle Fab. It's looking nice over there, actually. Once it gets wet, yeah, it looks a lot better. I'm gonna have to do this every day. Try to do it in the morning, but I don't think I'll be able to. So, and I'm doing this because we're on water restrictions. So I can't just have a sprinkler running, or I could get fined by the city. So just, you know, sprinkling water. And to be honest, guys, if I would have done this in the beginning of April like I wanted to, or end of March like I wanted to, we had some good storms roll through Texas, and I could have had a green backyard. But like I said, I had gotten sick, and then it got hot, and it got cold, and I was like, oh, fuck this. So, my fault. Anyways, I think it made for a good video, a different kind of video. So.